Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys.
YouTubers, big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Back at the spot that I was at day before yesterday. Lost a humongous fish down here, guys. And even broke my lure rod, guys. I'm actually using my GX2 today. I switched up my reel on there. And I have this new lure that I'm going to try out. Big up to John Gala, guys. Thank you for joining us, guys. Happy holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas festives. I've been very busy between filming videos and visiting family. So stay tuned for that video. I actually did a vlog on that. And that video should be dropping before this one. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing again. Yeah, guys, I've seen this barra run my line down over here the other day. This morning looks like a promising morning with this Yazori crystal minnow running a wide lead on here. Almost lost my rod over there the other day, guys. Really sticky situation. Shitty situation, really. I just almost messed my rod up again. See? So, anyways, guys, get a few lure casts on this side and then we'll move to the other side where the bigger barrel was. Hopefully I can hook this bad boy today. Water looks pretty good. This rod is a little bit heavier than my normal setting. Hopefully I get a good run this morning, guys. Rod is definitely a little bit heavier than my natural rod, guys. So, I know I got a barra out here someplace. Let's get that lure out there, guys. Not getting the distance that I'm used to. Shore Fishing, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is where I caught that big jack last time, guys. Promising spot right here in those swells. Might pick up a jack or a barra or something like that in this water, guys. Water seems promising here, guys. Barra just chased it, guys. Seen a small barra just chase it a while ago. Let's go get him. Yeah, guys, just changed my lure. Seen a barra run my line down out there just now. Let's get this lure out there again, guys. That's what's up. Hit it, 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 hit it. Damn barra. Nice size barra too, guys. Just seen him chase it, guys. He ain't hitting it. Nice size barra too, no, guys. Damn, man. I don't know where he went. He's right there, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Haha. Jackfish. Haha. Yeah, guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing. One jackfish on, guys. That's what's up. Well. Damn, you swallowed that hook, buddy.
Oh boy. Fish on, guys. Got a jack. That's what's up. I'm gonna throw this guy in the cooler real quick. You know that's food. Jackfish is no size regulations, guys. I'm gonna chuck him in the cooler real quick. Let me get my bag. It's getting serious. I had to take my thingy off, my glasses and other stuff off, and free myself up a bit, give myself a little bit more movement, and not have so much gears on me, guys. It is what it is, guys. I was just over here a while ago on that other side, had a barra chase my line, but did not get a good pickup on it, guys. So we're trying the shallows right here on this side, close to the rocks, and see if we can get anything else. All right, stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Hopefully we get a monster hook up today, guys. Let's see what's up. Woo! Something hit after it and missed. A lizard fish or something hit it just now and missed. Come on, baby boy. Nothing on this side yet, guys. Alright, guys, nothing there. We got one chase a while ago. We'll go around the other side, guys. Nothing yet here. Just working this cove, guys. Walk on these rocks and go around. Nothing, guys. Something died back here. Fish or something of the sort. Barnacles. Big old slippery log right here, guys. I gotta be careful. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Barra, guys. Haha. Woohoo. Look at this Jamaican shore fishing. Barracuda. Woo woo. Big boy. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. That is it. Yeah, guys. I've been working all morning for this. I've been working all morning for this, guys. I've been working all morning. That is it, guys. That's what's up. We came out hunting for it, guys, and that's what we was looking for. And this is what we got, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. I will run with thing, guys. You see it? Yeah, man. Get this guy up out of the water real quick. I find my rope, the string. Get him stringed up. If I have the string in here, guys. Hopefully I do. Actually, I use my lip grip tool today to grab them and get the hook out. And then I'll just take them up to the car real quick and shift. Alright, guys. So he don't flick all over the goddamn place on me. Get hooks in my fingers. Let's get this rod down real quick. I'm not trying to get hooked by no goddamn hooks today, though. I'll tell you that much. Hey, guys. Hey guys, get my rod up. Woo! Yeah! That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. Woohoo! So up this bad boy so you don't get sand all up in my thing. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you for joining us, guys. Thank you for joining the channel. Thank you for watching this. It's been an epic adventure today. Caught a barra, one jack. That was about it today, guys. Pushed out hardcore this morning, and that was all I was able to pick up. So big up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining Jamaican shore fishing, and please have a wonderful and happy holidays and happy new year, guys. And I hope all you enjoyed your Christmas and spend some valuable time with your family, friends, and loved ones. All right, guys, take care. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.